This one is your national masjid, Masjid Baitul Mukarram Masjid, and this one is Bangabandhu Stadium, and also it's our national stadium. So now we are here at Barf's Eye Restaurant in Polton, Polton. So as Rooftop is a really amazing restaurant for this sky view. So if you want, you can spend some quality time with your family, friends and family, also with your special someone in here. Their environment, their food, their authority, they are so much good. But their food is quite expensive in here, but the quality is too good. And in here also you can enjoy this view, this sky view from here. This one is our national mosque, Baitul Mukarram. This one is Bangabandhu Stadium, and this one is Gulistan area. So thank you and have a good day. Good night.